Hello students, welcome to enGmaT Academy. In today's video, we are diving into WBBSE Class 6 English Lesson 5, the story Land of the Pharaohs. So let's start and make learning English fun and easy. Answer the following questions in complete sentences. Number 1. Oh Sphinx, tell me about the pyramids. Who is the speaker here? Answer. Here the speaker is Ishan, a boy from Raiganj. Number 2. What were the pyramids? Answer. The pyramids were huge triangular monuments, the burial ground of the pharaohs. Number 3. How was a mummy made? Answer. A mummy was made by preserving the dead bodies of the pharaohs with spices, chemicals, and wells. Okay.